check it out. The Village Bistro. If you're driving around Stonebridge in Saskatoon, you probably come across this great new building. It has a whole bunch of different businesses on it. One of them says Village Bistro, one says the Village at Stonebridge. We didn't know what the heck was going on in here, so we figured we'd stop by, pull the chef aside, see what's going on, and he's going to tell us a bit about it. So we're here with Darren Craddock. Thank you for taking the time.
Thanks for coming by.
Especially on a Friday. Friday's my only day for my video, guys, so more than appreciate you accommodating. So this is my first time in the kitchen. I just came in. The people around saw the cameras. They don't really know what we're doing in here, though, so we're just going to have a look around and see, check out some equipment. We got a nice steam table. Some goodies under there. Sauces galore. Still remember to do that from my restaurant. Could still work a fryer basket too like that. Hello guys. Hi there. How are ya?
Good. Really fantastic.
I see a lot of nice equipment, but I don't see too many BSF stickers. They haven't bought anything from us yet. What are you making? What kind of soup?
Pork and barley.
Pork and barley. Can I give it a stir? I'll take all the credit. Come in for a bowl. Smells delish. Monster backpack. Alter shame. This place is pretty massive. Take a peek. Top secret. Oh, look. All right, guys, we're here at the Village Bistro. What is it?
Village Bistro.
The Village Bistro, and what's the other side called?
Village at Stonebridge.
The Village at Stonebridge. So it's one big building. I guess it's split into two. We have the bistro out front. And what else do you got going on here?
Yeah, well, the Village Bistro is our restaurant that we try to do a lot of, kind of like a farm-to-table concept, but just a lot of fresh cooked foods, sandwiches, simple stuff, but prepared with a lot of love and care, right? Try to put a lot of detail into it. And on the other side of the building, we have what's called Village at Stonebridge, which is an independent living facility for seniors. Regular condo-style apartments that you can rent per month. And you get meals included in that.
Cool. I'm getting up there in age, eh? So in another 10 years, you'll probably be cooking for me upstairs there.
You start paying now.
I should start paying now. Maybe we'll do an equipment swap. I'll give him equipment and I can stay here till I die. Chuck's older than me, so he'll be here before me. But so what else? What can you tell us? I guess a bit about the food and the concept. What's your inspiration? I guess as the chef here.
Well, my inspiration and my duty, I guess, is to provide a lot of fresh cooked food. We try not to use a lot of prepackaged or pre-made foods. Some things we can't make because we just don't have the time or the facility to make it. But we provide fresh meals every day. We have a great clientele in the bistro. We're open from 11 o'clock to 8 o'clock, 7 days a week. And it's a nice bistro menu. Everything from salads to steaks to burgers, sandwiches, everything. And then the meals on the Village side are dinner meals for our residents. Again, coming from the same kitchen. and fresh cooked all the time.
Yeah, you guys got a massive kitchen here. I'm actually going to nominate you guys for the Cleanest Kitchen Award.
Nice.
Because, yeah, I don't know if, yeah, like I'm assuming it's like this every day.
It's like this
You guys
every day.
didn't do this just because we were coming by, but
We take, you know, you got to keep it clean.
yeah.
You got to keep it
And
clean.
you guys literally have a little bit of everything equipment-wise, I guess. Like you guys got,
Yeah, we got some toys. We got some good equipment. The building itself is 3 years old. I've been here for 2 years almost in April. We have some toys as well. We have a vacuum sealer. We have thermal circulators. You know, we got good mixers that we need. We got a lot of equipment that we need. Great ventilation, air conditioning in the summer, heat in the winter. You know, it's like a chef's dream. Nice, airy, spacious kitchen to work with.
it's my dream to set up a place like this one day,
Yeah.
start to finish. Like that's obviously I'm only fresh. I'm fresh in the the business, I guess. But yeah, that's definitely my plan for that. Okay, so just to be clear, the bistro side is open to the public,
Yeah,
right?
open to the public 7 days a week. It's got a separate entrance just off Hunter Road, off of, you come Preston South into Stonebridge, right behind the Tim Hortons there. Yeah.
Tucked away, but you literally can't
Tucked
miss
away,
it.
but
It's a
you
huge
got
building.
yeah, big sign on the road, big sign outside. It's at the end of the row, and we're also attached to the Village at Stonebridge. So Village at Stonebridge entrance is on one side, which is our independent living facility
Right.
for seniors, and then we're on the other side of the building, open to the public.
So don't be confused. You don't have to be 70 plus years old in order to come to the bistro,
Nope.
like Chuck. So tell us a little bit about the menu here at the Village Bistro.
Okay, well at Bistro, what we try to do is keep a lot of local products. We use local as much as we can, a lot of connections with farmers, producers. We try and highlight that on the menu. So from our sandwiches to our salads, you know, we use a lot of local greens, romaine, sprouts, vegetables. Even going into the entrees, we use local bison from Bison Ridge Farms. We use chicken, and pork, and lamb, all sorts of things. And we change the menu 3 times a year in the bistro. And we try and keep it as seasonal as we can. We have a beautiful patio that opens in the warmer months. You know, and try and keep it interesting for our staff too, for the kitchen staff.
Yeah, change it up, and yeah, for sure, definitely support local, fresh ingredients. That's basically
the only way to go.
Yeah, for sure. So I hear you won a few awards.
Yeah. Just recently I won a Great Kitchen Party for Saskatoon, which gave me the opportunity to go to Ottawa to compete with 11 other chefs from across the country in the Canadian Culinary Championships.
Right on.
That's the 3rd time. I'm lucky I've been able to win 3 times now. I've been doing that. You know, I've won a couple other things, Saskatoon Chef of the Year twice, Soup Cook-Off at the Winter Shines, we've won a few times. So we like to keep involved in the community. I was past president of the Chefs Association. You know, I try and keep into it, you know, and keep our finger on the pulse and encourage my guys in competitions if they want. But I think it's healthy, you know, it's good to do that and keep in the community and keep your finger on the pulse.
Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, definitely. Your staff there probably want to one day win the same awards you did too. So give back a little bit when you're training them, and hopefully they can follow in your footsteps.
That's right.
again,
You're
so.
only as good as your team.
That's right. Any last words? Anything else you want people of Saskatoon to know?
Come on down to the Village Bistro.
Sounds good. If they call you out and want you to come out and say hello,
Absolutely. We're out in the dining room all the time. We like to talk to the guests and find out. We do a whole range of everything. You know, we can cater to vegan, vegetarian. We have meat, fish items, sandwiches, salads, you know, you name it, we got it.
cool. Right on. My favorite part about the day, Friday afternoons, is getting a chance to look at and maybe sample a little bit of food if we're lucky. So you have one of your team members over there,
Yeah, let's
chefing
go
us
get
up
something
something.
to eat.
Right on. Sounds good.
All right.
That's my favorite part. All right, I'm gonna bite into this chicken club sandwich. Looks delish. Really good. How'd you guys meet? Tinder.
Yeah.
Yeah, he swiped the wrong way.
Yeah, no, you swiped the wrong
No,
way.
we both swiped the wrong way. So, no, actually, where do we meet? We met at Riverside, right?
Yeah, when I was at Riverside Country Club, I think you just opened your warehouse, and we came up there and we took a look, hoping to buy some equipment.
I moved out of my garage. I started flipping things in my garage.
Yeah.
Had to move to a warehouse. Met him shortly after. Unfortunately, he wasn't the chef here when they opened up, or else maybe we would have sold him a little bit of this equipment here. So, yeah, awesome. Thanks
a lot.
again.